Like a virus running through your system. The dudes will get ears. Please make the listen to me. Very far.
We know forward never, backward never. Shuaibu said that the man. We know Edo must move forward.
After 20 years, you're gonna start for
Edo must move forward. Move forward. Forward never, backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know forward never, backward never. Shuaibu said na the man. We know.
He did this in Edo, and he's just going to do it in Osun. And we are all waiting for him to do it for us in 2023. Not be so? What did they call him? Let me, on behalf of the party, Your Excellency, we are so grateful. Thank you for making us proud. Thank you for making Edo proud. And we make sure that we in Edo will make you proud.
Many people don't lose hope, say, maybe waiting happen for Ekiti go happen. And by the grace of God, all of us go there and deliver. Our belly just is sweet. So I want to thank God for your life. Thank God for the grace He has given you, the governor of Bayelsa, our former Senate President, Senators Bukola Saraki, and all the people who follow you go there. We thank you. In fact, Mr. Governor, openly, make I tell you, Governor of Delta, he say make I thank you. Governor of Delta, when me and him talk, day voice today, he say, he called me, he say, acting governor, I beg, thank your governor for me. Mr. Governor, I am thanking you on behalf of our, by the grace of God, the next Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Ifeanyi Okowa. Please say, make I thank our governor. If another governor for another state and our next Vice President, by the grace of God, they say, help me thank your governor. That message no get. You get it? It carry heavy load. So, Mr. Governor, I will call all of us thank him. Mr. Governor, thank you.
PDP! It's good to be back. Make una help me thank Deputy Governor. When I said they go leave, I said, help me manage Edo State. All those people won't give us trouble. What do you do them? You finish them. Eh? You prepare them. So, Deputy Governor, thank you very much. Edo people say I should thank you for helping us maintain the state and run the state. They don't feel say I'm not there because you were doing everything I'm supposed to do and what I have to do. Irama! Oh! PDP! You know, God don't bless us for Edo State. We are truly blessed. Because we're not going to say that our power, now make us do what they do. When I go Osogbo for that rally, they refuse to give us stadium. You see as God they work? The whole street full, the venue full. When I enter there, I see these people. Edo contingent, more than 100 of them. Eh? They say, shine your imole. When I see them, I say, that's God. When you do one for us for Edo, when you send these people, you go do one for them for sure. What did God don't do for us last Saturday? We never know the full implication yet. He helped us settle many things. On Thursday, we won't do rally. They not give us stadium. By 10 o'clock, we don't know how we go do the rally. Now Davido and the people come with stage. Come party secretariat. And then they come set up the stage. Una welcome, una not say as it tight. Una not say as it tight. But when I not see the people who are in their road, the people who are in their road, now plenty pass the people where they the venue. By the grace of God, that rally come out well. He choke and is strong. Nobody for Nigeria when see that rally when no say now we get Osun. We win because God must always win. The message for you today, PDP, is that this victory of 2023 February, God don't give us. Make we not throw am. Make we not throw am. The only thing when we make us throw am na quarrel. Fight. They say a house that is divided, a house that is part of the thing for Osun, the house was divided, so it could not stand. May God not let our house divide, oh. We must unite PDP in Edo across the country so that this waka into Aso Villa, go hard. So, PDP, Edo, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for what you have done today, for coming to welcome me back from leave and from Osun. Things are hard, but I promise you, by the grace of God, they will get better.